Shoulder stands are another way that we can balance and find different poses when we are dancing. When you're doing a shoulder stand, your shoulders need to be on the ground. From there, you extend your core upwards, but you can do different things with your legs. So you can angle them, you can bend them, you can do all different kinds of things. Your arm placement can be different. Some will have the hands go behind the body, others will go overhead and find like a reverse tripod position. It kind of depends on what you're doing, what you're coming into it from, where you're going to, what the choreography is even calling for. So this is a really open-ended concept. The example I'm giving is not the full extension. I'm at an angle so you can see how the rotation could kind of happen. Um, Again, this is meant to be a transitional point. You could, however, also freeze there. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about power moves. I will see you then.